The hunt for a long-range electric cruiser is coming to an end. Komaki India has officially teased the launch of an electric cruiser bike named Ranger. What's the point if you can't go longer in a cruiser bike? Komaki Ranger will sort out this by giving a range of 250 km on a single charge, which is achieved by a 4 kWh battery pack driven by a 5000 watts BLDC motor. Looks-wise, the cruiser largely resembles the classic Harleys, especially the Harley-Davidson Softail Classic. Gets 3-pod headlamp unit mounted below the classic round instrument cluster finished in chrome. We will witness maximum use of chrome all around the bike. Below is a large telescopic shock with large chrome upper covers like the HD Softail. The rear too sports similar large mudguards and utility boxes placed on either side like usual classic cruisers. On the feature front, the Ranger will offer cruise control, repair switch, reverse switch, advanced braking system and Bluetooth connectivity options. Let's wait a while to witness how well built the Komaki Ranger will be and how the market responds to it. Thanks for watching.